Okay, Jerry, I'm ready to copy here in the CB&Q 9911. Over.
Okay, as I understand it, you're going to Davis Junction. Does that mean you're going on the siding, or do you need a little past Davis Junction? Do you know for sure?
Okay, we need one engine to go up the east leg of the line. West leg. West leg of the line, and then their engine's going to pull everything up the east leg. Enough time. I've got 4 hours right now.
You need, I was going to give you a runner to Davis.
That's what I need, a runner to Davis.
Okay, the local usually gets a little past Davis. Do you need more than Davis Junction?
Yeah, give me milepost 77.
Q 9911 9911 East EAST at Savanna SAV. Checkbox 2 TWO. Proceed from East Savanna EAST SAV. 2 milepost 77 MP 77 on the Chicago sub on the main MAIN track. Checkbox 2020. Be prepared to stop at the following switch until known to be normal position. The west WEST. Siding switch, Davis Junction, DAV. 2091 is 2 lines, check 2 and 20, over.
Repeat on track 1, 2091, 2091, dated July 25, 2011, 2011, to the CB&Q 9911, 9911 East EAST, at Savanna, SAVNNA. Xbox 2, TWO, proceed from East Savanna, EAST, SAVNNA, 2 milepost 77, MP77, Chicago sub, on main MAIN track, and Xbox 2020, be prepared to stop the following switches until known to be normal position. The west, WST, siding switch, Davis Junction, DAVIS, JCT. 2091 has 2 boxes checked, 2 and 20. Okay, time, what time there, dispatcher?
2091, 2 lines, check 2 and 20 is okay at 1907, 1907, dispatcher TLP, over.
Okay, track 1, 2091, 2 boxes checked, 2 and 20 is okay at 1907, 1907, TLP, Vanderschaft, over.
That is correct, Mr. Vanderschaft. Thank you.
Thank you.
And your request at the diamond is in.
With the cab to come and get us to Davis, because I don't know if we're going to be able to make it to Rockford or not.
ETA to Davis, Mr. Vanderschaft.
You put the request in, please?
Already did. Mr. Vanderschaft, what's your ETA to Davis, sir?
I have no idea. 2 hours, 20 minutes, 2 hours, 30 minutes, maybe a little more.
Roger that.
Roger, thank you. Hello, Casey. Go ahead, Radley. Yeah, you might have to go run time. I can't tell if there's BN coming or what, but the signal didn't come in, over. Roger.
Nice low somewhere.